Put here, so we're on a new video, unboxing of the Elgato 60. So I just opened this box, this shit, and this. So yeah. Next generation quality, yeah. Bitch. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Open, please. I got an idea. The Elgato 60. I'm gonna release this little monster. If you can get out. Huh, it's lighter than I thought. Pretty cool. Oh, pretty light. That's not heavy then. Oh, no, that's really light. That's cool. Next, in this box, so we have here for the cable. So USB, we know where to put USB, HDMI in, audio, HDMI out, and then here we have the ready USB cable. I don't know if I can focus it. So you need to know that I'm using a phone. I'm using just a little phone to make this, so that sucks a bit. And there is the HDMI. Oh, there is an HDMI cable. That's cool. Oh yeah, that's really cool. And we have a little sticker that I'm gonna put on my desk, I think, or on my Xbox. On my Xbox, yes. Good idea. So yeah, I won't set up this in this video. I'm gonna set up it. I'm gonna make a setup our video. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. That was the Elgato 60 unboxing. Elgato 60. Seriously, that's really cool. Light, good quality. I don't have the older Elgato, so I cannot. I don't know. I cannot just try the other. I didn't try the other, so I'm gonna. So I'm gonna only base my quality on this. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. You're really cool, and don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe. Yay!